How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you wish to learn or add music to WhatsApp status, then here's how to do it. You need to note that WhatsApp doesn't allow you to directly add music to WhatsApp status because it doesn't have got the built-in feature. So what you can do is you can take the help of some messaging applications or different social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook. You can easily open Instagram and go to the setting and select privacy, and you can choose the story setting and enable the option to save the story to gallery. And then you can post the story on Instagram with the photo and music you want. And then you can simply save it to your gallery tapping on the three dots at top right and tapping on the save option. Once it is ready, you can easily open WhatsApp and then log into your account. Head towards update at bottom left and you can select the add status. Then you can easily locate that particular WhatsApp status video where you have added music with the help of Instagram and tap on the share icon at bottom right corner of your screen and add your WhatsApp status. So in this way, you can easily add music to WhatsApp status. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.